Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. And for today we are going to unwrap and quick check cycling jersey from InBike. Okay, so ito yung cycling jersey. Based sa kanila, this is color red purple. As you can see, maganda yung design, nagustuhan ko kasi maganda yung design. Premium yung quality. Kaya mag-compete sa mga mamahaling brands, and isa pa ay very minimal. Madali siyang i-pair sa mga cycling shorts natin. Anyway, yung material niya ay elastic and seamless dito. As you can see, may logo ng InBike, and dito sa upper left, minimal na logo lang. Okay, and quick dry siya guys. And by the way, dito quick dry din. And may logo ng InBike, IN. This one is actually parang see-through. Check natin. Ayan. Parang see-through. May tatlong packet sa likod na malalaki, and may reflectorized na logo ng InBike, IN. And the test fit ko siya, kasya yung S24 Ultra na cellphone sa likod. Okay, so what else? Seamless, and yung hem niya ay may anti-slip dito. And sa other side ay may personalized na garterized ng InBike, and at the same time anti-slip. Sa zipper naman ay smooth and personalized yung zipper nila para sa InBike. So far, that's pretty much it. By the way, yung size niya ay size Asia XL or Europe size large. I am 5'7" and 78 kilograms. So by the way, nabili ko sa Shopee for around 1,100 pesos. Kasama na vouchers and shipping. Okay, so ito siya guys, when worn. As you can see, 5'7" and 78 kilograms na may bare belly. Yung zipper niya may lock. Pag nakababa ay naka-lock na siya. Okay? Smooth yung zipper niya. Anyway, yun lang. Thank you. Ride safe. Bye-bye.